This isn't just a job, it's a skilled trade, a community of professionals, a career forged in steel, sweat, and intelligence, where every day brings pride, grit, and the satisfaction of building something that lasts. At DeSHAZO, we're looking for hands-on workers who don't mind climbing higher, thinking harder, and getting their hands dirty. We're hiring overhead crane service technicians coast to coast. Within your first year of employment, you'll be invited to train at our National Training Center in Bessemer, Alabama, featuring small class sizes, big-time skills, and real equipment. You'll learn schematics, electrical theory, panel building, troubleshooting, contactors, relays, motor controls, VFDs, pendants, RF tech, mechanical crane repairs. After completing the course, you'll be armed with the skills needed to become successful in the field. This isn't just classroom theory. This is hands-on knowledge, led by instructors with over 30 years in the industry. You'll gain real-world confidence and the skills to back it up. Finish your 101 course, and you'll be ready for our overhead crane inspector certification, advanced VFD training, advanced mechanical training, and more. Because here, we don't just build skills, we build careers. If you've got the grit, the drive, and the work ethic, we've got your future. Join the DeSHAZO service team, nationwide, coast to coast. Take that first step to elevate your career, and let's get to work.